Today we will discuss about the equivalence of matrices. If B and M cross n matrix, which is obtained from a matrix A by a finite number of elementary transformations of the matrix A, then A is called equivalent to B. Means if B is obtained from A by elementary transformation, then A is called equivalent to B, and symbolically we write A is equivalent to B, which is read as A is equivalent to B. Okay, now there is one theorem related to equivalence of matrices. Theorem is that if A and B are equivalent matrices, then there exist non-singular matrices P and Q such that B is equal to PAQ. Proof is very simple. If A is equivalent to B, it means B can be obtained from A by a finite number of elementary transformations of A. But elementary row or column transformations are equivalent to pre or post multiplication by the corresponding elementary matrices. Therefore, if A is equivalent to B, then there exist elementary matrices P1, P2 up to PS, Q1, Q2 up to QT such that PS into PS minus 1 and so on, P1 into A into Q1, Q2 and so on, QT is equal to B, and let it be equation number 1. Now we know that each elementary matrix is non-singular and the product of non-singular matrix is also non-singular. Therefore, if P is equal to PS minus 1 up to P1 and Q is equal to Q1, Q2 up to QT, then there exist non-singular matrices P and Q such that PAQ is equal to B, and let it be equation number 2, and hence the theorem. Now you have to find the rank of the matrix. This is very important and it will be also in your practical copy. Then find the rank of the matrix A, which is by row is written as 5 3 14 4, in second row 0 1 2 1, and in third row 1 minus 1 2 0. So we first of all reduce this matrix into echelon form, and then we find the number of non-zero rows, and the number of non-zero rows will be the rank of the given matrix. So here we have A is equal to 5 3 14 4 in first row, in second row 0 1 2 1, and in third row 1 minus 1 2 0. Now we use elementary transformation as R1 interchange to R3. We get in first row 1 minus 1 2 0, in second row which is as it is 0 1 2 1, and in third row it is 5 3 14 4. Now we have to make R3 first element 0, so we have R3 minus 5 R1, R3 minus 5 R1. Then in first row 1 minus 1 2 0, in second row 0 1 2 1, and in third row 0 8 4 4. Now we apply the transformation R3 as R3 minus 8R2. We get in first row 1 minus 1 2 0, in second row 0 1 2 1, and in third row 0 0 minus 12 minus 4. Thus we see that this matrix is in echelon form, and the number of non-zero row is 0, hence rank of matrix A is equal to 3. Now we discuss one more example. Find the rank of the matrix A, which is written as in first row 8 1 3 6. Okay, in second row it is 0 3 2 2, and in third row it is minus 8 minus 1 minus 3 and 4. You have to find the rank. So here you have A is equal to 8 1 3 6 0 3 2 2 minus 8 minus 1 minus 3 4. Now we interchange. Before interchanging, we divide first column by 8. Therefore applying C1 as C1 by 8, and we get equivalent matrix as 1 1 3 6, and next is 0 3 2 2, and this is equal to minus 1 3 and 4. Now R3 plus R3 is equivalent to R3 plus R1, and this gives me us 1 1 3 6 0 3 2 2. In third row 0 0 0 10. We see that the matrix is in echelon form, and therefore number of non-zero rows is 3, therefore the rank of the given matrix is 3. Now one more example. Find the rank of the matrix A is equal to, in first row 1 2 3 0, in second row 2 4 3 2, and in third row 3 2 1 3, and in last row 6 8 7 5. Then we have a as given above. Now by applying R1, applying R4 as R4 minus R1 minus R2 minus R3, then we have in first row 1 2 3 0, in second row 2 4 3 2, third row 3 2 1 3, and second last row 0 0 0 0. Now applying R2 as R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 3 R1. So we get in first row 1 2 3 0, in second row 0 0 minus 3 2, in third row 0 minus 4 minus 8 3, and last row is 0 0 0 0. We see that determinant A is not equal to 0, but the leading matrix of this of third order of, once again we see that determinant A is not equal to 0. We see that the determinant A is equal to 0, but the leading minor of the third order is 1 2 3 0 0 minus 3 0 minus 4 minus 8, and this is your equal to minus 12, and which is not equal to 0. Means we see that if the determinant of the above value comes out to be 0, then the rank will not be 4, but rank will be less than 4. So we see that an element of first order is not equal to 0, an element of the third order is not equal to 0, hence the rank of the given matrix is 3. Okay, now canonical or normal form of a matrix. In order to find the rank of the given matrix, you are required to reduce the matrix into normal form and then find the rank of the given matrix. So there are 4 types of normal forms. Normal form is called canonical form, and this is your equal to IR and IR0 in column, in row, and IR0 row in column, and IR0 in first row and 0 0 in second row. These are the 4 types of canonical form. Now we will discuss one example related to, we reduce the matrix A. In first row it is 1 2 1 0, in second row minus 2 4 3 0, and in third row it is 1 0 2 minus 8. To the canonical form and find rank. Okay, you have to reduce the matrix into canonical form and then find the rank. Solution is very simple. Performing elementary transformation as C2, C2 minus 2C1, C3 as C3 minus C1, we get in column wise 1 minus 2 1, in second column 2 4 0, in third column 1 3 2, and in fourth column 0 0 minus 8. And this is your equal to, in first row 1 0 0 0, in second row minus 2 8 5 0, and in third row it is 1 minus 2 1 minus 8. Here performing R2 as R2 plus 2R1 and R3 as R3 minus R1, and this is your equivalent to 1 0 0 0 and 0 8 5 0 and 0 minus 2 1 minus 8. By performing elementary transformation C2 as C2 by 8, and this is equivalent to, in row first row 1 0 0 0 0 1 5 0 0 minus 1 by 4 1 minus 8. Performing C3 as C3 minus 5 C2, we get In first row 1 0 0 0, second row 0 1 0 0, in third row 0 minus 1 by 4, 9 by 4 and minus 8. Now performing R3 as 4R3, we get in first row 1 0 0 0, in second row 0 1 0 0, and in once again performing R3 as 4R3, we get 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 and 0 minus 1 9 minus 32. Now performing R3 as R3 plus R2, we get 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 and 0 0 9 minus 32. Now performing C3 as C3 by 9, we get in first row 1 0 0 0, in second row 0 1 0 0, and in third row 0 0 1 minus 32. Again applying C4 as C4 plus 2C3, then we get in first row 1 0 0 0, second row 0 1 0 0, in third row 0 0 1 0. Thus we see that this is the form of normal. Hence I30, it means rank of A is equal to 3. Okay, now one more example. Reduce the matrix A equal to, in row wise, first row 1 minus 1 2 minus 3, in second row is given 4 1 0 2, and in third row is given 0 3 0 4, and in fourth row 0 1 0 2. You have to reduce it into normal form, and then you have to find the matrix of find the rank of this matrix. Okay, this is the problem, and do yourself. If you find any problem, then discuss me. Now one more example. Find two non-singular matrices P and Q such that PAQ is in the normal form, where A is equal to, in by row 1 1 1, in second row it is 1 minus minus, it is 1 minus 1 minus 1, and in third row 3 1 1. Solution: here we reduce, here we write I3, AI3 is equal to A, or say A is equal to I3 I3, since row and column are 3 3. So we have 1 1 1 row wise, in second row 1 minus 1 minus 1, in third row 3 1 1, and this is your equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and A is equal to first row 1 1 1, in second row 1 minus 1 minus 1, in third row 3 1 1, and I3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we perform R2 as R2 minus R1 and R3 as R3 minus 3R1, which we get as 1 1 1 1 1 in first row, second row 0 minus 2 minus 2, in third row 0 minus 2 minus 2, and this is your equal to in row wise 1 0 0, and second row minus 1 1 0, and third row minus 3 0 1 into a, and 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. If we operate row operation, then elementary transformation will be done in previous factor, otherwise in post factors. Now performing C2 as C2 minus C1, C3 as C3 minus C1, we get 1 0 0 0 minus 2 minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 2, and is equivalent to 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 0 1 a, and in bracket 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now we perform R2 as minus 1 by 2 R2. We get in first row C 1 0 0, and in second row 0 1 1, and in third row it is 0 minus 2 minus 2, and is equal to 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 minus 3 0 1, and into a, and multiplied by matrix 1 minus 1 minus 1 row wise 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Again performing R3 as R3 plus 2 R2, we get 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0, and this is your equal to 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 1 0, not 0 but 1, into a, and this is your equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Again performing C3 as C3 minus C2, we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0, and this is your equal to 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 2 minus 1 and 1 into a, and multiplied by 1 0 0 minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1. Thus we see that PAQ is equal to I2 0 0 0, since number of non-zero rows is 2, therefore PAQ is written as I2 0 0, where P is equal to 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 0, and Q is equal to 1 minus 1 0 row wise 0 1 minus 1 and 0 0 1. Since A is equivalent to I2 0 0 0, therefore rank of A is equal to 2. So this is all about today class. Thank you.